Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today I'd like to talk to you about protein, and more specifically, I'd like to talk about plant protein and ways that we can incorporate it into your diet. Protein is a major component of all cells in our body. Protein makes up enzymes, membranes, and even hormones. The recommended dietary intake for protein in healthy adults is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight a day. However, recent studies suggest most Americans are excessively eating protein, specifically animal protein. According to a study done in 2014, the average American eats 198 pounds of meat per year. That number is expected to rise by 4% by year 2024. This projected increase in the consumption of animal products will require both more land and feed for animal production, and contribute to negative impacts of greenhouse gas emissions. It is a big concern for sustainability. Meat is okay in moderation, but too much is unhealthy. Due to the higher amounts of saturated fat and cholesterol, red meat has been linked to heart disease and certain types of cancers. So what should you do? How do you meet your protein needs while still being healthy and environmentally friendly? The answer is to add more plant protein to your diet. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, going meatless just 1 day per week may reduce your risk of developing conditions such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and even obesity. The reason plant protein may be healthier is because it is generally higher in fiber, potassium, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients to protect against diseases. It is also much lower in saturated fats and cholesterol. Some examples of plant protein are beans, lentils, tofu, edamame, hemp hearts, tempeh, seeds, nuts, chickpea, falafel, quinoa, and veggie burgers. Be careful when choosing veggie burgers because some are meant to mimic real burgers and can be high in saturated fat as well. You don't need to be a vegetarian to incorporate plant protein. Try one meatless meal per week or try incorporate some plant protein into the foods you already eat. An example may be to add quinoa or even edamame to a salad or pasta dish to up your protein intake. So remember, protein is essential for our bodies. Animal protein is okay in moderation. You don't need to exclusively eat plant protein, but try to incorporate plant protein as often as you can and try to go meatless at least 1 time per week in an effort to strive for a healthier diet. Thank you all for joining me, and don't forget to spread the word about how plant protein can be a part of your healthy lifestyle.
Created using Powtoon.